Viewers, as you may have noticed, skeleton-style videos are going massively viral right now across YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how these unique and trending videos are created using powerful AI tools and how you can make them step by step. Step 1. Open YouTube and search for the channel Helix. When you visit the channel, you'll notice something impressive. With only a limited number of uploads, the channel has already gained hundreds of thousands of subscribers and multiple shorts with millions of views. That's a clear sign that this niche is trending and has massive viral potential. Next, click on the popular section and open the shorts category. You'll see videos with 10 million, 12 million, even 14 million views. Almost every upload crosses 1 to 2 million views. This proves that cinematic skeleton shorts are not only unique, they're highly engaging and algorithm-friendly. Now, choose a scene you like the most. Take a screenshot of that short and save it to your device. This screenshot will act as your style reference so we can create something similar, but with our own character and original story. Next, open ChatGPT. Upload your screenshot and type a prompt like, "I want to create a video similar to this using my own images. Please give me a full master character prompt and multiple unique scene prompts." Within seconds, you'll receive a detailed master character prompt along with multiple scene prompts. These prompts ensure that the same skeleton character appears consistently across different environments: racing, fantasy, adventure, sci-fi, and more. Copy all the prompts in Microsoft Word document, save them so you can easily reuse them. Alright viewers, now we're moving to our next step, the text-to-image stage. First, open the website Leonardo AI. Once the website opens, click on the Create option and log in using any Gmail account. Okay viewers, after a few seconds, the website will log in, and as you can see, it has given me 150 credits. The best part about Leonardo AI is that it gives you 150 daily credits, which means you can generate images every single day. That makes this tool extremely powerful for content creators. Now, without wasting any time, I'm going to copy my first prompt and paste it here. Before generating, I'll quickly check the resolution settings. I want a 9:16 vertical format because we're creating content for shorts. Now, I'll click on the Generate button. After clicking Generate, within about 10 to 15 seconds, the AI creates the first image. As you can see, the image looks very unique and dramatic. Next, I'll go back to my document, copy the second prompt, and paste it here. Within a few seconds, you can see the second image has also been generated successfully. Now I'm moving on to the fourth prompt. I'll copy it and paste it here. After a short wait, the image is ready. And again, you can see how uniquely and dramatically Leonardo AI has generated it. Alright viewers, now I'll copy the fifth prompt and paste it here. We'll wait just a few seconds. And as you can see, the fifth image is also ready. Now I'll copy the last prompt and paste it again. And there you go, the final image has been generated as well. Okay viewers, now I'll show you all these images one by one so you can see how creatively Leonardo AI has generated each scene. All of these images look absolutely amazing. From here, I'll download the best scenes one by one, whichever I like the most, so I can convert them into videos in the next step. Alright viewers, after downloading all the images, we're now ready to move on to our next tool. Alright viewers, now we're moving to the next tool, the image to video stage. We're going to open the website Grok AI. Yes viewers, this website is absolutely amazing. Without wasting any time, I'll click on the Imagine option. As you can see, this platform also allows you to generate images, but today we're focusing on video generation, so I'll switch to the video option. Make sure to select your preferred aspect ratio as well. Now I'll click on Upload File and upload the first image that I want to convert into a video. As soon as I upload the image, you can see that I don't even need to give any additional prompt. It automatically switches to the Auto Generate option. After waiting just a few seconds, the platform converts my first image into a full video, with motion and voiceover included. Yes viewers, there's no need to add a separate voice, and no need to write any prompt. The tool automatically analyzes the image and transforms it into a complete animated scene with sound. Now I'll download the first video. Next, I'll upload my second image, the racing car scene. I'll select it and upload it here. After waiting again for a few seconds, you can see the second image has now been converted into a video. Notice how the skilled skeleton character is moving the car. Everything, including the motion and sound effects, has been automatically generated. That's incredibly powerful. Now I'll download this video as well and move on to my third image. I'll upload the third image and wait for around 30 to 40 seconds. And there you go. The third image has also been converted into a dynamic, high-quality animated video. Next, I'll upload my fourth image and wait again for about 30 to 40 seconds. Once it's done, you can see it has generated another amazing video with full motion and sound. I'll download this one too. Finally, I'll upload my last image. After a short wait, the final video is ready. That means all of my videos are now completed. Let me show you all of them one by one so you can see how uniquely and professionally this tool has generated full motion videos with built-in voiceover. This tool is absolutely amazing, so make sure you try Grok AI yourself. Now, without wasting time, I'll move to the editing stage. I'll open CapCut and drag all the generated videos into the timeline one by one. After dragging them in, I'll arrange them in proper sequence, deciding which video should play first, second, third, and so on, until everything flows perfectly. Once the sequence is set, I'll show you the final preview. And as you can see, my unique skeleton-style trending short video is now fully ready. This niche is highly trending, and you can clearly see how powerful and engaging the final result looks. Now I'll click on the export option and export it in my desired resolution. And there you go, my complete skeleton-style short video is ready. You can see how amazing and trending all the scenes look when played together. Viewers, I hope you really enjoyed today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.